annuity. Annuity is a series of payments made at equal intervals. The example of annuity is a car loan being repaid with equal monthly installment, and a retire purchasing an annuity from an insurance company upon his retirement. There are two types of annuity, which are ordinary annuity and annuity due. For ordinary annuity, the payment need to pay at the end of the period, while annuity due need to pay at the beginning of the period.
The next is future value of annuitic ordinary annuity. The future value of X of an ordinary annuity used to accumulate funds is given by as the given formula at slide. S equal to R. R is the payment at the end of each period. I is the interest rate per period, and N is the number of periods. An ordinary annuity makes all required payments at the end of each period. For example of future value of annuity ordinary annuity is: first, Alif signed his first year 7 contracts as a coach. To prepare for his future, he deposits Rm150,000 at the end of each year for 7 years in an account paying 4.1% compounded annually. How much will he have in the account after 7 years? From question, the value of R, I, and N is given, which is R is equal to 150,000, I equal to 0.041, and N is equal to 7, which is 7 years. Okay, we need to substitute the value of R, I, and N into the formula as the given in slide, and we put the value of R, which is 150,000, and I is 0.041, and N is 7. And we need to calculate the in bracket first, and we got the answer is 7.9223, and we must do multiplications, and we got the answer, which is 1,188,346.11.
Next example. The question is, Fatin was getting Rm100 for 5 years every year at an interest rate 5%. Find the future value using the ordinary annuity formula at the end of 5 years. From the given at the questions, we get R is equal to 100, N is equal to 5, and I is equal to 0.05 from the interest rates of 5%. So, we substitute the given to the formula of future value of ordinary annuity, which is S equal to R times 2 in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. So we get S equal to 100 times 2 in bracket 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.05. So S is equal to 100 times to 55.256, and the final answer is Rm 552 ringgit and 56 cents.
Okay, next is the future value of annuity due. What is the future value of annuity due? Is the estimated total value of a series of cash payments made at the beginning of a payment period. Okay, as you can see on the slide, there is formula for us to find the future value of annuity due. So the capital S is referred to the sum arising in the future. The capital R is referred to the periodic payments. The small letter n is referred to the number of interest or periods. The small letter I is referred to rate per period. The small letter r is referred to the nominal rate or annual rate or year. And the small letter m is referred to the compounding frequency. And the last one, T, is referred to the time period, which is number of years. Okay, let's look on the example that related to the finding future value of annuity due. So based on the question, Uncle Harith has promised to give you 2,000 ringgit every year for 7 years. You will get the first 2,000 today. If the banks are paying an annual interest rate of 4%, how much is this cash flow stream worth to you today? So based on the question, we get uh, periodic payments is equal to 2,000 ringgit, and compounding frequency is equal to 1 because we assume it compounded yearly. The nominal rate or annual rate, we get 4%, which is equal to 0.04, and the rate per period is 0.04 divided by 1, and we'll get 0.04. And the last one is number of interest is equal to 7. Okay, as we look on the solution, we just put the given information into the formula that I have been shown to you guys. So after do the calculation, and the last one we get 16,428 ringgit 49 cents. So this is the answer for this question.
For the next example, the question is Karen deposit 100 ringgit each month into an annuity that pays a 6% annual interest at the end of each year. How much money will she have in this account at the end of 5 years? So, from the question given, we have to know that Karen will receive 1,200 ringgit for each year by multiply 100 ringgit with 12 months. For the annual rate in this question is equal to 0.06 and number of period equal to 5 years. The solution is we have to write the formula given first. By the formula given, we have to substitute all the information given into the formula, and we will get RM 7170.38 ringgit. We proceed for the next example. The question is Sarah want to have 800,000 in annuity by time she retired 30 years from now. If the annuity pays a fixed annual interest of 5% at the end of each year, how much money should she deposit each month into this account for the next 13 years? So, this question is a little bit different from the other question, because the other question asks us to find the further value, but this question we have to find the money that she have to deposit each month into this account. So as usual, we have to start from writing the formula, and we have to substitute all the information given into the formula, and after we have substitute all and we calculate, we will get the answer that 955.65 ringgit in a month. So this is the answer for this question. That's all from me. Thank you.